Lego house, and obviously I'm extremely excited. I've been wanting to come here since it was built, so here we are. Can't wait. The World Explorer, and there's 3 different islands. So this is the town and countryside, and then there's the tropical and the sea, and they're so detailed, there's so much to say in them. There's a guy bungee jumping here.
Oh god.
There's a camera at the front of the train and it's live. Wave at the train, Dennis. Streaker at the football match. What's really cool as well is that it turns to night, so it gets darker and all the lights come on. Back to the Future. These two are delighted with life. It's going to show me how to do it. I have to choose my camera, okay, so I have to choose one of these 3 cameras. Okay, now I've got to pick my person. I really enjoyed this. I'm going to set one of these up at home. Filter on creation, and then you take a picture of it. This is my friend. His name is Dermot. I left Dermot there for someone else. Bye, Dermot. Then let's say goodbye to Dermot. Hey, it worked. I now have to build a Lego flower, so if you'll excuse me. I'm quite proud of myself. I made this rose and I'm taking it home. That's Rose. Love you. Take a picture of your flower. This is the best flower you're going to see in Lego house all day. I don't want to leave my rose. You know you can actually just jump in there. It's a brick pool. Me and Ali are just hanging out in the brick pool. Ali, say hello to Lego.
Nice. Oh, no.
There he is now. You make a fish.
And then it goes on the thing.
So then you upload them. Right, go. There's your fish there. You've made it. Let's see if she comes out of the... Oh my god, that's so cool. Dennis, there's your fish.
Why is it swimming the wrong way?
Hello. Hello.
She's special.
Looks like a Willy. Need Nemo. There's my fish. Go. Okay, she's gonna come out here. Look at her. Oh, I should have put my fish on the wall because it was the best. Ali, you having fun? Make an Ireland flag. Okay, here you can just make whatever you like. So I decided to make an Ireland flag. I'm gonna just leave it there. his racing car. I'm going to build a racing car. Here's my car and we're going to race it live from Lego Raceway.
Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
I'm going to go through the loop now. Okay. You ready?
Go.
Oh no.
Your car stop.
Oh wow. You have to build something and then put it on the square and then it comes alive. So I built a little spacey house for my Lego. So there. What happened? Oh look! You're parked beside my house. No.
Oh, it's because it fell into the hole.
Oh my god. It was really interesting. It went really in depth into the history of Lego and had lots of sets on display, so I loved it. That's all from Lego House. I had an absolutely brilliant day. There was so much to do. It was really interesting and I would highly recommend a visit. Not even just for Lego fans, but for anyone, it's really good.